We've got an exciting, although last minute change to this year's 2020 calendar. That is, instead of going to Pukekohe for Anzac weekend this year, we're going to be heading down the road to Hampton Downs. We have been planning on running the Anzac weekend to celebrate the amazing Trans-Tasman rivalries that are a part of this sport. Unfortunately, we ran into some roadblocks around resource consent, despite having run there at Anzac weekend in 2014. Some changes to the Auckland Unitary Plan meant that 130 days of public consultation was required. We didn't have that time, but we're very, very lucky to be able to go to such a world-class facility just 15 minutes down the road from Pukekohe, and actually the same time from downtown CBD of Auckland. Hampton Downs is a world-class facility. It's a great track, it's technical, it produces brilliant racing. So we're sure our fans were going to be really excited to head down there and check out the racing at Hampton Downs for the first time. For fans that have bought tickets to Pukekohe, please contact Ticketek New Zealand so you can find out how you can either get a refund or transfer those tickets down to Hampton Downs. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you there soon.